How do you present your work? In this second episode, you will be able to create this. I will give you insights on where to begin. If you missed out on part 1, kindly check it out. And to new subscribers, I'll appreciate your subscription so you don't miss out on content I upload. Also, if you're a returning subscriber, karibu sana, let's grow the community, and as always, believe you can create. So guys, I've just launched Photoshop. You can do much with Photoshop apart from just what I'm going to do today, but today we are going to do mockups. So I just downloaded this mockup from FreePic. So this is FreePic. FreePic is where designers get art resources to build on their projects. As you can see, they have all assets from vectors, photos, illustrators, PSDs, Photoshop documents, templates, fonts, text effects, and backgrounds. So like Photoshop documents are like mockups, like what we are using today. So just clicking on the mockups, you can download any of these mockups. Maybe it's a card you want to present to your client, card designs. Yes, so let's go back to Photoshop. I had downloaded this mockup. I just searched for laptop mockup, and luckily I found laptop and a phone and someone holding it, and I downloaded it. Because it's a Photoshop document, it makes sense opening on a Photoshop software. So this being the logo we had created, Vault, we are going to add it onto the mockups that I had just downloaded from FreePic. Selecting the logo, I hit Command or Control C. In the Photoshop software, Command V. I'll just save it, Command or Control S to save. So now you can see the logo is appearing on the screen, and it's actually realistic, but I feel like the logo is a bit bigger, so maybe we can just make it a little smaller. I think that should do. That should do. Now we go to the mobile phone. You can just click on these eyeballs to see the layer or hide the layer, like so. Yeah, and now we have it on the phone and on the laptop. That's great. So now I'm going to go to the next thing that I had downloaded. So now we have the second mockup, and this is a t-shirt. We have some stickers, some badge, and we have a tablet and a pen. So we are going to create mockups for each. And one thing I like about FreePic is that, okay, these resources, I think I got them from Raw Pixel. It's a user in FreePic. I like the order here. So we have laptops, we have sticker 1, sticker 2, we have a t-shirt and a pen, and we have the shadows and the background. So each eyeball represents each. Yeah, and a pen and the shadows. Okay, the shadow is on there. Yeah. So now I'm going to go for the t-shirt first. Let's go with the t-shirt first. Click on the small icon, double click it, and you have the ecosystem. I want to replace this with the logo. Now I'm just going to align where it is. Okay, maybe there. That's okay. And then I'll turn off the placeholder. Let's see first what we have here. Graphic element and background, just turn it off. Now we have the Vault, and Command or Control C. Command or Control S, sorry, so that you can save it up. And we have our logo there, Vault. And let's go to the sticker number 1. Click. It's a big one. I'm just going to hide it. Command V, the logo. And I think this is a nice sticker. Save it. Now preview. It's there. Sticker 2 is done. Sticker 1. Save. That's sticker 1. Maybe this sticker I should give it a different color altogether. Maybe I can just go with something. Let me take the bucket tool, hit I for the dropper tool. I select the color I want for the background, holding I, then release I, and now click on the fill. Now, as you can see here on the layer, we have the background on top of the logo. So you just drop it. It will show a blue line. Drop it down there. Hit the logo itself. Right click and go to blending options. In the blending options, go to color overlay. Hit the color overlay and change the color to white. And OK. So save it. Done. That's a different style. What else do we have? They say it's a laptop, but I think it's a tablet. It's okay. Just click it, hide, create a new layer on top of it, and Command V, bring the logo out. Since it's a tablet, just like a phone, the logos should be a bit minimal. Maybe to the right. Maybe to the right. No. Bring it to the center. Center alignment. That's okay. The background, if you don't have a background and leave this as boxes, this is what will happen. Let me show you just what will happen. I've just saved. See, no background. So I need to put a background. Hit the bucket tool, change the color to white, and hit the boxing areas. Now it's in white, and save it. And there we go, we have it. The last thing I'm going to do here now is I think I'll save this without background, so that if I'm going to put this on a website, yeah, I can do that. But I think for the sake of this video, let me just put a background, which I don't really like the green. Maybe, can I change the green? Let's see. Can I change this green? No, but I'm going to save it without that background. Let's go with that. I know why I'm saying this. Let's go with this, because on the next video we are going to create a portfolio with what we have learned from this video, with what we have done from this video. You're actually doing, no learning. Yeah. Oh, I can see now the shadows that were open, but I think I'll just keep them for now. For the third mockup, we have a coffee cup. The same thing we're going to use. But now, interestingly, this person has added some beautiful elements down here. That's why they are showing here. You can also add something like a flower or something to your logo. Also, I'm just going to hide it and paste what we had, bold. Also add another layer, uh, white bucket, or hit G or the bucket 2, and now paste it here, the white. Now Command or Control S. And that's okay. We just add some elements to this. Sorry, let me add some elements to this. Let's say like let me use like a lasso tool, or maybe let me go with a polygon. Maybe hit a bit of a, let's see, what can I do? Random shapes on it, just random. Hit the bucket tool, hit I, holding I, select that color, and click on that area. I'm just adding shapes randomly just to show you guys. You can put anything on your logo. Well, I like how it appears from what we just created, the random shapes. This is the end of the corporate branding series part 2, and if you found the video of use, kindly pick a subscription, comment, like and share. I'm your host Michael Ngugi, na kama kawa, believe you can create.